Yo, 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 yo.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
We got a big one on the ice tonight, and along with Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski, ready to call all the action. International showdown here tonight. Does the environment change when you're playing nationally as opposed to a club?
100% it does, because it's a little bit different. You're not usually with regular teammates, so everything feels a little bit different, but you are playing for your country.
Just moments away from puck drop, both teams seem ready to go. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. Zuccarello's got it into offensive territory. Scoops up the puck now. Puck knocked loose after that hit. Here's the chance. Stopped by the goaltender. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. And he regains control of the puck with the stop. Slides the puck ahead into the neutral zone. Shot comes up with a blocker save. Along the boards, they battle for the puck back and forth. Delayed penalty coming up here. Team Norway's got it across the line. And he sprints to the bench to get the extra attacker out on the ice. And the official stops the play as somebody's off to the sin bin. And it looks like 2 minutes in the box for holding will be the call here.
Well, he's got a mitt full of the guy's sweater. It's tough to argue
That's
that
fair
one.
to say. Norway's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
Their first power play of the game. The game is scoreless, and now they'll start offensive zone face-off. Move the puck around, get it to the net, and try and impose your will on the other team.
Knocked away. Big time stop. There's another stop.
No time to take a breath. He made that first stop, and then the puck turns around on him again.
And manages to clear the zone. Team Norway's got the puck along the boards. Here they come on the attack. Centering pass. Log jam in front. That's broken up. Nice pass. Shoots it, and that one's turned away.
If you're going to make the save as the goalie does here, you've got to read the play and have the reflexes to execute the save.
Team Kazakhstan's got it in the defensive zone. Norway's got possession here in the offensive zone. That goes off the post and stays out. Right in the slot. Turns it away. Gets it out of his own end. Team Norway along the boards. Carries it in. Sends it over. Huge play in his own end to come up with the puck. Kazakhstan's PK unit comes up clutch.
Well, they'll have to regroup after that. The power play doesn't cash in. Opportunity lost for them.
Handles the puck at the point. Here's a blast, and the lane's clogged up, blocking that. Moves it around along the half wall. Out front.
Whoa!
Scores! They're on the board early.
Yeah, there's also a lot of people not in their seats yet. Man, that was quick. That's a really good shot. The goaltender's down in the butterfly. He thinks he's got mostly everything covered, but apparently not. The puck gets by him.
Norway's got that lead. They were talking about wanting to quiet that home crowd here.
Well, they certainly did. Out of the gate quickly. A couple of shifts. Now they're up 1-0.
And play resumes as the puck is dropped. Carries it across the line. Oh, they telegraphed the pass, and he picks it off. They've got numbers. It's a 2-on-1. Puts it to the front of the net, and that's picked off in front. Team Kazakhstan's got a hold of it against the wall. Move to the middle. Takes that pass back at the point, and that's blocked away. Play is blown dead. We've got a penalty on the way. He's going off for tripping, and doesn't everybody feel like they're innocent on a trip?
You feel like you're innocent on most every penalty, but this one always feels like, God, did you really have to call it?
Another special teams opportunity for both sides as the man advantage unit is back to work again.
Well, they get another chance here. They've earned the power play. They haven't got anything on their power plays yet. Haven't had a lot of them, but here's a nice chance for them.
And manages to clear the zone. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. On the attack along the boards. Floats the saucer pass. Looking to make something happen along the boards. One-time shot. Oh, off the crossbar. Gets it out of his own end. Team Norway's got the puck along the wall. With possession along the wall. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. And manages to clear the zone. Norway's got a hold of it along the wall. Stretch pass. Takes the feed. Hammers a shot off the post. Puck sent across the blue line. From the point, looks to make something happen. Solid effort by the penalty-killing unit as the power play comes up empty.
I like the work the penalty killers did there. The power play at times looked dangerous, but they didn't give up anything. And the power play is now over.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Takes the return feed. Move to the middle. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Kazakhstan's got a hold of the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Moves the puck along the half wall. From the slot, fires away and makes the save. Team Norway's capitalized on their offensive abilities here in this first period. The frozen biscuits dropped and we are back underway here. Receives the pass. Along the half wall with the puck. Grabs the puck in the defensive zone. Over the line they come. Right out in front, and that's broken up. And the goalie covers up for the whistle. More than half the period left to play. We've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. And not much on that one. Takes the feed from the goaltender. Here they come on the attack. Sends the pass over. Moves it around along the half wall. Right to the middle. Takes a shot with the stop. Scrum along the boards as they battle for the puck. Centering pass. On the attack along the boards.
I love the way they've played this shift. They've protected the puck well, but now they've got it and they can run around the zone. The defenders can't chase them. They're too tired.
Denied by the goaltender. Moves the puck forward to the middle. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck along the boards. Slides the puck over. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Grand larceny on that stop right there. Takes a shot. Denied by the goaltender. Carries it in. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Jostling for the puck, and it's knocked away. Here's a chance out front. Locks it down with a stop. I think he got a blocker on that one.
Yeah, he got out tight to him, James. There's nowhere for that puck to go.
They've got numbers. With possession along the wall. Sends a pass over. Moves up near the blue line and looks to set up at the point. From the boards, he takes that pass. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Point-to-point pass. Puts it on net from the point, and that banks off a stick. Handles the puck. Easily turned away by the glove.
You're going to get a look at this on the highlight shows tonight. Tomorrow, the plays of the week and the plays of the month. What a save.
Norway still got time here in this first period to increase this lead. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Oh, what a stop! Straight up the middle. Here they come. Centering pass! And that's broken up with a stick in front. He scores! Well, a little pop luck with a play.
This puck changes directions pretty significantly here as it bounces off the defender and goes in.
More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. We got a tie game. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Moves the puck along the half wall. Takes the pass. Along the half wall with the puck. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Handles it along the blue line. From the place 99 made famous. Gets in front of it. Handles the bank pass from along the boards. Takes the pass from the boards. Picks off the pass. We got a penalty coming up here as the officials blow the play dead. Tripped him up, and he's off to the box for it, Ray.
Reaching out for the puck, you get your stick into his feet. This is the consequence.
As they step into the face-off circle, let's see if they can take advantage on this power play.
Their first power play of the night. They've worked on it, and it starts with the face-off. Win the draw, start moving the puck quickly before you shoot it.
Gets it out of his own end. And leaves the comfort of his crease to play the puck. Slides the cross-ice pass. Moves it around along the half wall. Puts it up front. Wrist shot from the slot. Misses over the net.
Just misses the net, but really the scoring chance is not dangerous if you can't get the puck at the goaltender.
On the attack along the boards. Can't maintain possession after that hit. Trying to get something going here with this man advantage as they start from their own end. Takes the feed. Knocked away. Moves the puck. Oh, he'll want to have that one back.
Wayne Gretzky says 100% of the shots you don't take don't go in. Same for the ones that miss the net.
Slides the puck down low. Moves right to the middle. And here's a shot. Comes up with the stop. In the final moments of this period, the next goal could be a big one as we are tied. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. And manages to clear the zone. And as he jumps out of the box, he can thank his penalty killers as they bail him out to keep this one tied.
Oh, I really like the penalty kill there. They were on the same page almost all over the ice that entire power play. The game stays tied because of their fine work.
Good job tangling up his opponent here. And he slides it quickly to Zuccarello. Nice pass. Blistering shot! That goes wide. Kazakhstan's gained possession along the boards. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Quick shot. Great glove save.
Had to be sharp. That's a grade A chance.
Good job tying up his opponent. Quick feed to Zuccarello. Zuccarello's got it along the wing. Here's a chance right in the slot. Hammers it on net. Way too high.
He gets rid of the puck in a hurry. Just zips it over the crossbar.
Lets it fly. Team Norway's looking to break out of their own end. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. With the steal. Move to the middle. Wrist shot from the slot. Just wide. Sends it ahead to Zuccarello. Carries it across the line. Inside the final minute of the first here. Great poke check on the reach. Big time save with the blocker. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Here's an odd man rush. Takes the feed. Snaps it on net. Norway's got a hold of it against the wall. And he whiffs on it. And that one's stopped. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. And that brings the first period to an end where we are tied up at 1.
Now's your chance to play clean. Drop your plastic cups, bottles, and clean paper products in the recycling bins throughout the arena. Thank you, fans, for
Still lots of hockey still to come, so get ready here on EA Sports. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray. I'm James. Second period set to go. Second period now underway. We'll see how much longer this thing stays tied. Well, we've got over 20 minutes played thus far. Ray, how have you seen things?
Team Kazakhstan's focus has to be getting more pucks to the net. They really didn't do much in that first period.
Norway's going to play the puck from behind the cage. And now he moves it quickly to Zuccarello. Centering pass! And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Rocks him against the boards.
That's a great hit. I love the way that he took the ice away and slammed him into the wall.
On the one-timer. What a stop as he puts out the fire. Receives the pass. With possession along the wall. Puts it on goal. Makes the save. Takes the puck along the boards. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Takes it across the blue line. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Passes right to the front. Stones him in front. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck along the wall. They've got the defense outnumbered. Oh, and he completely blew it on that miss.
Yeah, you got to get it on the net, James. You've got an opportunity to score, and you don't even test the goalie.
Chance right in front, and that goes off a player in front. Kazakhstan's got a hold of it along the wall. Off the left wing and into center. Wide of the net.
Got to get it on the net. I know he's trying to be perfect with it, but it's a scoring chance that seems like a missed attempt.
Oh, he'll be regretting that one. Stopped by the goaltender.
Well, the goalie had time to square up as that slap shot takes a little bit of time to set up, but it's a hard one. He makes the stop anyway.
James Cybulski, Ray Ferraro with you here in the early going of this period. We are all tied up in this one. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Over the line they come. Sends the pass over. Nice defensive robbery on that. Moves the puck along the half wall. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Here they are on the attack. Slides it across. Centered out in front. Referees signaling for a penalty. Looks like we got a hooking call coming up. Let's get the call here. And he's going to get 2 for hooking on the play, Ray.
He should. I mean, he gets his stick out parallel to the ice. He gets it across the player's midsection, and that's kind of a red flag for that penalty.
As they're about to drop the puck, the power play unit back out onto the ice for another opportunity.
They've been skunked on the power play so far tonight. So you have a little chat on the bench. Guys, notice some things that the penalty killers do, and you try to adjust one step ahead of them.
Here's a chance to try to get it out of the defensive zone. And he's able to move the puck across the blue line and out of harm's way. And some good footwork to kick it away. Here they come on the attack. To his teammate. Takes a shot and makes a save. Gets it out of his own end. Quick feed down low. Back to the blue line. Ahead of steam now towards the front. Inside the offensive zone, takes the pass from along the boards. Big play inside the defensive zone. Gets it to the other point. Shot in front. Blocker save. Pokes it away in his own end. And manages to clear the zone. Both sides back to even strength. A great effort by the penalty killers there.
These are the power plays that drive coaches crazy. They didn't really generate anything. They didn't force the penalty killers at all. Kind of a waste of time.
Puts the puck on net. Big time stop there. Zuccarello's got it in the offensive end. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Comes up with the stop. I think he got a blocker on that one. We got a penalty coming up here on the play. And the defenders come up with the puck. And there's the whistle. Let's get the call from the official here. There's a tough call to take here. Interference is the call, Ray.
Battling away for the puck, you end up taking a little bit too much of a liberty and you get whistled for interference.
Power play unit going back to work. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Oh, comes up with a stop. Trying to get the puck out of harm's way. And he gets the job done. Big thumbs up clearing that one. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck along the boards. Carries it in. Along the half wall with the puck. Puts it on net. Denied by the blocker. Shot.
Whoa.
There's the go-ahead goal, and we have a new game.
Taking the lead now, you control it. You push the pace, you push the other guys back on their heels. Really good work in the offensive zone here as the shooter keeps moving around till he finds the open spot. In this case, it's gold. He's in the high slot, and he hammers it home.
Kazakhstan's hard work pays off. They've gone up by 1 here in this second period.
Even though it really shouldn't matter, it does change the way you play the game. Now that you're in the lead, you can dictate the pace of the game.
At center ice now. He grabs the puck. And that caroms right off the mask. Team Norway's been the busier team offensively with way more shots on goal, but they still trail in the second. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Carries it across the line. Nice feed inside the offensive zone from the boards. Moves it around along the half wall. Slides the puck over. Sends a pass over. Handles the puck. Puts it on net. Oh, what a save with the glove. Still lots of time left in the period. Team Kazakhstan's been the better-looking team over the last few minutes. They'd love to build on this one-goal lead. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. Takes the pass. On the attack along the boards. Takes the feed. Kazakhstan's grabbed a hold of the puck. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. With possession along the wall. From the blue line. Comes up with the stop. Moves the puck. Lets it fly. And he comes up with it. Norway's had a lot of good looks on net, but they continue to trail here in the second. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Takes it across the blue line. Team Kazakhstan's got control of it now from their own end. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And there's the save. Past the halfway mark of this period, it's 2-1. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. And he slides it quickly to Zuccarello. Back to the point it goes. With the blast, shuts him down. Whistle blown as the puck is directed out into the crowd, and a souvenir for some lucky fan tonight. Team Norway's look good offensively to this point, but they continue to trail here in the second. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. With the blast, and it doesn't get better than that. Oh, he's going to be shaking his head.
Yeah, except all we would say on the bench is it sounded hard when it hit the end board.
Takes a bump but hangs on. Here's a chance. Here's the pass. And makes the easy glove save. Over the line they come. Pass back to the point. Nice pass. Here's a shot and a great save.
I think through traffic like that, you're just hoping the thing hits you.
Shot just wide. And that shot dies in traffic. Up along the wing. Takes the return feed. Takes the feed. Here he is from the slot. Stopped by the goaltender.
Certain saves are more difficult than others. This one right from the slot is turned aside.
Way too much congestion blocks that. Blazing in on the breakaway. Quick feed down low. And that falls apart.
I can tell you one play that won't be on his highlight reel.
Not that one. Norway's gained possession along the boards. Moves the puck along the half wall. From in close. Big save.
Oh, he had to get up tight to the puck. In close. He takes away any room. He clearly thought he had room to get by, but it got closed off in a hurry. He took a big hit there.
Here in the late goings of the period, we've got a 2-1 game. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Here they come on the attack. Here's a shot, and he makes the save. Team Norway's had their opportunities, but they still trail late in this second period. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Jabs the puck away. Takes the feed at the back end. Norway's got a hold of it against the wall. Carries it in. Looks to set up at the point now. Receives the pass. Sends the pass over. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Protects the puck around all sorts of danger. Misses high.
Not a bad shot. He just tried to make it too perfect and shoots it over the crossbar.
Team Norway's had a lot of good looks offensively, but they have run into one hot goaltender, which is why they trail late in this second. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Slides the puck over. Takes a shot. Denies him on the play. Chance in front. Save made by the goalie.
I like how he was able to follow the puck. Good save in close.
Moved into the middle, and that one's broken up. Norway's looking to break out. Kazakhstan's regained possession of the puck. Along the half wall with the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Carries it across the line. He's got a stride on the defender. Big time stop on the break.
Goalie came out, matched the shooter's speed, and shut down the chance.
Just here in the late stages of this frame, it's 2-1. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Moves it around along the half wall. Team Norway's got the puck in their own end. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Slides it back to the blue line. Sends a pass over. Shot from the point. Denies him on the slapper. Sends the pass down low. And that one's broken up. Right up the gut. Here they go.
1 minute.
And less than a minute to go here in the middle frame. On the attack along the boards. Now a quick pass to Zuccarello. What a great read breaking up the pass.
I don't mind the attempt here. They're behind in the game. You got to take a chance once in a while with the puck.
Takes the feed at the point. And he stands tall in goal. Norway's got the puck in the defensive end. And it's a quick pass to Zuccarello. Centering pass. Here's a chance in front. And that's all she wrote on period number 2 in this one. 2-1 is where things sit after 2 periods of play.
Do you want the assurance of knowing you have a ticket to all the big games? Then grab our season ticket. Guarantee your seat for the upcoming playoffs.
The third period is just around the corner. Ray and I will bring you all the action in a moment. Welcome back, everyone. Both teams lined up at center ice, and we are ready to get this third period underway. Moment of truth for one team. Here we go. Third period is underway. And that one's broken up. Takes it across the blue line. Shoots it, blocker save, and he's showing up big time tonight. Takes it from the other side of the blue line. Great defensive play to come up with the puck. He might have a step here. All alone. What a save on the play. Obstruction penalty coming up. Looks like a hook here. Knocked away. Here's the official call. I know he doesn't like the call on this one. Nobody does, but I think he has a case here, Ray.
Well, it looked like the penalty was going to be called, and then it got sold even more so. So that's a hooking call that he doesn't really like.
Another power play opportunity coming up here as they set up at the faceoff.
Well, this power play shows up at a rather opportune time. They're trailing by 1, and now a chance to level the score on. Aggression will be the key for them.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Back at the point, they set it up. Puts it on net. He scores!
The power play comes through. They move the puck nicely, and they're able to capitalize on the extra man. The power play was patient. They worked around until they found the best shot. But if they don't have that traffic in front of the net, it's not going to matter. The puck goes through the traffic, past the goalie, and they've got a power play goal.
Still plenty of time left in this frame. You can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway.
By number 40.
Dumps it in.
By number 13.
Team Kazakhstan's got the puck along the wall.
Max Roselli-Olsen.
Over the line they come.
1 minute, 34 seconds.
With possession along the wall. There's the whistle. Offside is the call, stopping the play. This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. From the slot, scores!
2 goals in 50 seconds. So quickly on the board.
That sure changes things here on the ice.
Yeah, the game has completely been turned upside down. Oh, this shot beats him clean here, but he doesn't see it. I think he's got to work a little harder. There's only one person in front of the net. He shouldn't be screened so completely.
Team Norway's breathing a bit easier now here, coming up with a big goal in this third period.
Their bench was pretty excited when that goal went into the net. Now they'll want to continue to be aggressive and don't let the opponent start to dictate the pace.
Assisted by number 10.
Here they come on the attack.
Sandra Olden.
What a steal in his own end.
22 seconds.
Into the corner now. Takes a wrist shot. Gives them nothing in front. Through center along the wing. Moves the puck along the half wall. Oh, that's tremendous poise in the defensive end to break up the pass.
While they trail, he's trying to make something happen.
Comes up with a stop. Good check, frees the puck up. Carries it in. Along the half wall with the puck. Feeds it down low. That's a solid hit. Flips it up the net. Stopped by the goaltender. Handles the puck. Moves it around along the half wall. On the doorstep, and that's broken up. On the attack along the boards. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Takes the puck behind the net. Handles the puck at the point. Here's a shot. Nothing. Norway's got a hold of it along the wall. Carries it across the line. Centering pass. And the puck departs the zone. Picks up the puck in his own end. Takes the pass. With possession along the wall. Great read to break up the play. They've got numbers. Shot on net. Oh, just wide. Team Norway's got the puck along the boards. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Lets it fly. Oh, the glove save. Where'd that come from?
I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
Norway's got the edge in the shot department, a big reason why they lead here in this third period. Grabs it in his own end. Takes it across the blue line. Takes that pass back at the point. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Quick shot! Stopped by the goaltender. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Across the point.
Really solid shift here. Their puck possession game has been outstanding. Now they've got it again, and they can hold it down underneath the blue line.
Takes the feed. Here's an odd man rush. Sends it across. Kazakhstan's looking to break out of their own end. And he puts that one aside with ease. Zuccarello's gaining momentum. Zuccarello's going to play it against the half wall. Handles it along the blue line. Here's a shot with the stop. Great defensive effort with the strip. Coughs up possession of the puck. Drives it to the front of the net. Just misses. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Backhander. Stick save.
Whoa.
He scores. Well, when it rains, it pours.
Man, they are just coming out in buckets right now as they get 3 straight. Really a dominating performance. This is a terrific shift for them here in the offensive zone. Relentless pressure. They never come off the puck. There is no time that the defensive team seems to be able to catch up. Eventually, it ends up in the net. They earn that marker.
Team Norway's attempt to put more pucks on net has paid off as they lead it in the third. And play resumes as the puck is dropped.
Scored by number 24, Andreas Martinson. Assisted by number 4.
Norway's gained possession along the boards. Lets it go, and that one's turned away. Puts it wide.
I know he's looking for the perfect shot. He's going to be disappointed that he didn't get it on the cage.
Moves the puck along the half wall. Back to the blue line. Right in front with the shot. Oh, what a chance.
Oh, James, he tried to get rid of that in a hurry. He just misses.
Along the half wall with the puck. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Puck battle along the boards. And some fancy footwork to kick it over to his teammate. Moves the puck. Knocks the puck loose after a solid hit. Team Norway's got it in their own zone. Puts the puck on net. Oh, he stops it with a glove. Great reflexes there. Norway's been the better team tonight. They have turned good defense into solid offense, and they lead here in the third. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Nice pass. Moves it around along the half wall. Team Norway's got a hold of it against the wall. Lets it go. Flies over the net.
I think he's trying to be too perfect. Get it on goal.
Oh, he's going to be feeling the regret on that one, though,
Yeah,
right?
you don't get many chances, and this one's not even a scoring chance because he doesn't hit the net.
Makes the save with the slapper. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck along the wall. Over the line they come. Right in the slot. Wrestling in close. He scores. Well, don't turn this one off yet.
Well, you better not. We're still here. If we're here, you gotta be here too. This is a terrific shot. He beats the goaltender, but the goalie gets a chunk of it. Not enough. He can't slow it up.
Kazakhstan's got one back here, Ray. How big is that?
Well, it does a lot, James. It changes your mindset. It changes the way you approach this. And you don't have to be reckless trying to get just one goal.
Number 23, assisted
On the attack along the boards.
number 55. Time of the goal.
Takes the feed. And that one's blocked. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. Sends it down low. Receives the pass. Snaps one from the slot. Stopped by the goaltender.
Nice move by the goalie to get out close to the shooter.
Blocker save. Team Kazakhstan's got a hold of it along the wall. Here they come on the attack. Sends it over. Into the corner of the attacking area. And makes the save. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Here's a shot from the wall. Off target. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Back to the point it goes. Knocked away. And as he stumbles, he coughs up the puck. Sends the pass over. Slides the puck over. And not much on that one.
Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
Norway's got the edge in the shot department, a big reason why they lead here in this third period. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Carries it in. From off the boards, takes the feed inside the zone. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Oh, what a hit on the play.
Get your head up, or you run into that.
Sends a pass over. Shot tipped in front, and he gets a glove on it to keep it at bay.
Sometimes you're in close, there's no room to put it anywhere. The goalie smothered it all. That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
A big draw looming here in the offensive zone. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. From his own end, he picks up the puck. Team Norway's got control of it now here in the offensive end. Great reactionary save on that chance. And he gains the zone here. Right in front! Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Looking to make something happen along the boards. With possession along the wall. Into the corner. Handles the puck. Lets it fly. Just wide of the net. Pokes it away to stay on the attack. Puts it on net. Gobbles the puck up there with the chest. And there's the whistle stopping the play. Norway's not far from the finish line here as they lead it late in this third. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Again, the denial by the goaltender.
Yeah, he's pretty good positioning here, James. He makes the two stops back-to-back.
Pass back to the point. And that one gets big air over the net.
He's got to get this puck on the net. He's got all kinds of time to shoot it, but he fires it over top.
Just put it on the net.
This has been a heck of a shift for them. They've got them hemmed into the offensive zone. Now they can carry the puck around as the defenders are just going to play a tight box. They look exhausted.
Carries it across the line. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Lifts the stick and takes the puck. Moves the puck along the half wall. Team Norway's got the puck along the boards. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Takes the pass into the middle of the neutral zone. Along the half wall with the puck. Right in the slot. Denies him in front.
1 minute.
Less than 60 seconds to play in this tight one. Oh, just wide.
Right in his wheelhouse, he powders it, but just misses.
Takes the pass. Takes the feed. Moves the puck. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Maintains possession. From one point man to another. Takes control of the puck. Norway's got the puck in their own end. The sense of urgency has really set in. They pulled the goalie. The extra attacker's out. Grabs the puck. And look at this, a 3-on-1 with the stop.
Yeah, he makes a nice save here with the glove, as you mentioned, but he's able to hang on to it. That's a tough save from this position on the ice.
Team Norway's been the better team offensively tonight. A lot of scoring chances, and they lead it late in this third period. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Tries to get the puck over to Zuccarello. And a great heads-up defensive play here. Intercepts it at center. It is all over. Puck possession, the name of the game in this one tonight, Ray.
Really good job. They had the puck, they kept the puck, and when they didn't have a play, they seemed to put it into a place where they were going to get it next. They controlled the play, and therefore controlled the game.
Well, this one's in the books. A fun one tonight for Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cybulski. Thanks for joining us, everyone. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.